Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I have some new products from Paper Rose Studio that I want to share with you, 2 new collections and also a new sentiment sheet set. Paper Rose never disappoints with their beautiful collections, and if you're interested in any of the products, I will have links in the description box below. So I'll start off with the new sentiment sheet set. This is gold and silver card making. It includes 12 A5 sheets. There's 6 different styles, so you'll get 2 of each. Half of them have gold foil and the other half have silver foil. I love this new set since it includes quite a few general sentiments that you could use throughout the year. We have happy birthday, congratulations, thinking of you, best wishes, thank you, you're the best, get well soon. At the bottom, hello, thanks, take care. Then we do have a few holidays. Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day, Happy Wedding Day, Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Anniversary, and then several other sentiments. I love using Paper Rose's sentiment sheet sets. They're great if you need to pop together a quick card and don't feel like stamping. You can use your trimmer, cut out the sentiments, a pair of scissors, or you could use a sentiment die. On the 6 different sheets, there's a variety of fonts and sizes. I don't have it yet, but this set is also available in a black and white version without the foil. And I will link it in the description box. The first collection I'm showing is called Afternoon in the Park. I have several items from this collection, but there are more. And I will add a link for the full collections in the description box below, along with the individual links for the products I'm showing you. I have both of the 6x6 paper collections for Afternoon in the Park. This one is the original called Afternoon in the Park. It is also available in 12x12, so if you prefer the larger size, that is an option. The 6x6 paper collections include 18 double-sided papers, lots of beautiful designs. There is one sheet that includes cut-apart images and sentiments, and it's a nice variety of sentiments you could use throughout the year. Now I'll show you the back side. You can see all 12 different designs. This is a beautiful collection. It has a vintage look to it with lots of beautiful floral designs. Next is Afternoon in the Park Basics. Now you can use this one on its own or you can combine it with the original Afternoon in the Park, and I love to combine the two together. The colors and images all coordinate beautifully together. The first sheet has lots of beautiful image cut-aparts. And if you're not a fan of the cut-aparts, you can always flip it over and use the design on the other side. And in this collection, there's a second sheet of cut-aparts, this time a bunch of small tags. My favorite is the camera with the beautiful flowers around it. So now I'll show you the designs on the back side. The Basics collections usually have more tone-on-tone designs, so they're great to mix with the original collection that has more busy patterns. So there are the 12 different designs included in this collection, and then it repeats with the final 6 sheets. Next, I'm showing Afternoon in the Park's Embossed die cuts, and I also have Afternoon in the Park's Bicycles Cardstock stickers. I'll show the Embossed die cut pack first. I love Paper Rose's Embossed die cut. They have this beautiful glossy detail on them. And with their die cut packs, there's no fussy cutting required. You simply pop out the images. They're attached by just a few small tabs. After I pop out all the die cuts, I use a pair of scissors and trim off that teeny tiny tab since I like that nice clean edge. The images in this pack are beautiful and they match perfectly with both of the Afternoon in the Park paper collections. The embossed die cut pack includes 4 sheets of 6x8 embossed pop-out die cuts. There are windowsills, typewriters, cameras, piles of books, all surrounded by beautiful flowers. Next is the Afternoon in the Park Bicycles Cardstock stickers. There are 3 sheets of 6x8 die-cut cardstock stickers, and these are a nice heavy weight, 200 GSM. And it is a sticker, so there's adhesive on the back. Their cardstock stickers don't have any of the embossed detail. It's a nice matte finish. I love the bicycles with the baskets overflowing with flowers. On the next sheet, there are a few labels, another bicycle, luggage, and then the final sheet has more images, plus a little section with lots of sentiments that you could use throughout the year. There's also that narrow strip that goes down the center. That would be perfect to add to your card or project. I love all the new products that Paper Rose has been releasing lately. The final items I have from the Afternoon in the Park collection are their Quick Card Collection pack and the Quick Cards die cut pack. If you've never tried Paper Rose's Quick Cards collections before, I highly recommend them. Lots of great products in one pack, and they're perfect for assembling some quick but beautiful cards. Inside, there is an inspiration sheet, so it gives you lots of different ideas of how to use this pack. Since the pack includes images, pattern paper, and sentiments, you really don't need anything else. Of course, you can always step up the cards, adding bling, ribbon, twine, cardstock layers, and you will need card bases. They're not included in the Quick Cards collection. It does include 4 sheets of 6x8 embossed pop-out die cuts. You can see there are images and sentiments, and they have that gorgeous embossed detail. There's a nice variety of sentiments that you could use throughout the year. They're not holiday specific. And then so many beautiful images. I love the circles that have that little frame around them. It looks like you've layered them on cardstock, but it's all one piece. If you like making duplicates, you can always purchase the Quick Cards die cut pack. There are 4 sheets that are exactly the same as what's included in the Quick Cards collection. I'll pull them out so you can see the comparison. So here's that first sheet I showed, same images and same sentiments. You can also just purchase the Quick Cards die cut pack and use it with the pattern paper. I like that they have it individual, so you have both options. So here's another sheet, exactly the same, and then the final design. Now here's a look at the paper that's included in the Quick Cards collection. There are 18 double-sided 6x8 pattern papers. The colors and designs are very similar to the pattern paper, but what makes them different? They have another strip of pattern paper that looks like it's layered on cardstock, but this is all one sheet. If you're like me and you make A2 size cards, you can cut one sheet in half and get 2 backgrounds. But it also works great for other card sizes. So here's a look at the back side. There are more tone-on-tone designs on the back, which is great to mix in with those busier patterns. So one final design, another tone-on-tone pattern. So there are the 12 different designs included in the Afternoon in the Park Quick Cards collection. As I mentioned earlier, there are other products that coordinate with the Afternoon in the Park collection, and I'll have a full link to the collection listed below. So now moving on to the other brand new collection, this is Flower Shop. I have the 6x6 papers, but they are also available in 12x12 size. So I'll show Flower Shop first. There are 18 double-sided pattern papers, and this collection includes a couple sheets with image and sentiment cut-aparts. The cut-aparts are on the smaller size in the 6x6 paper. If you prefer a larger cut-apart image, I would suggest getting the 12x12 collection. The designs in this collection are so beautiful. Look at all of the lovely flowers. Several of their designs have images on the lower portion or in the corner. I like to cut those out and then add them on a card. I know sometimes it's hard to cut a beautiful paper, but just think of the end result with a card, scrapbook page, journal, whatever project you're creating with the paper. It's worth cutting up some of the pretty paper. Now here's a look at the Flower Shop Basics collection. Again, this one has 18 double-sided pattern papers. Here's a look at the cut-apart sheet with images and sentiments. There are so many beautiful and colorful butterflies included in this collection, along with the lovely florals. And then on the back side, there are more tone-on-tone patterns. Just like the Afternoon in the Park collection, I think Flower Shop also has a vintage look to it. The cheerful colors in this collection are perfect for spring or summertime. So there's a look at the 12 designs included in Flower Shop Basics 6x6 paper. I also have the Flower Shop Quick Cards collection and the Quick Cards die cut pack. And just like before, the die cut pack has the exact same 4 sheets that are included in the Quick Cards collection. Just like all of their Quick Card collections, there's an inspiration sheet and it has 6 different sample designs. You could follow that exactly, or you could step it up and add on bling or other items. But it's nice that they include that inspiration. Just showing you some of the beautiful designs that you can easily create with their Quick Cards collection. So here's a look at the 4 sheets of 6x8 embossed pop-out die cuts. There are several of the images inside circles with that colored frame, lots of sentiments. I love this sheet with the different tags. It looks like there are all these different layers on the tags, but it's simply one piece. And then the final sheet, so beautiful with all the different butterflies in a variety of sizes. Now here's a look at the 18 double-sided 6x8 pattern papers. Again, you can simply cut that in half. It has that printed on different pattern paper and the look of cardstock, but this is all one sheet. If you make A2 size cards and get 2 backgrounds from each sheet, with just this one Quick Cards collection pack, you can make 36 cards. You would probably need to buy the add-on Quick Cards die cut pack to have enough images and sentiments, but otherwise you have plenty of paper for the background. So here's a look at the back side. Most of them are tone-on-tone designs, but there is the one sheet with smaller icon images. You could fussy cut those out. And then there's also the design with the larger butterfly images. So that's everything that's included in the Flower Shop Quick Cards collection. I have 2 more products that coordinate with this collection. I'll start with the Flower Shop Tags and Tickets, and this is an embossed die cut pack. Just like all their other embossed die cut packs, there are 4 sheets of 6x8 embossed pop-out die cuts. It includes lots of beautiful designs. I love the variety of butterflies. And this set also includes sentiments along with more images. Tickets, there's a scallop circle, there are tags, there are several sentiment banners and a few frames. And here's the final sheet, more butterflies and great sentiments that you could use throughout the year. And the final item I'm showing you today is the Flower Shop Embossed Die Cut Pack. Always one of my favorites. I love the variety of different images. And my absolute favorite image in the Flower Shop collection is the pot with pink tulips. We'll definitely be using that on a card. There was a smaller image in the tag and ticket set, but I was excited to see it's also included in the Embossed die cut pack. So here's a look at the 4 sheets, beautiful colors, so many flowers, and this will coordinate beautifully with the pattern paper. So there's a look at 2 new collections from Paper Rose Studio, Afternoon in the Park and Flower Shop, along with a new sentiment sheet set, gold and silver card making. If you are interested in any of the products I showed in this video, or you want to check out the full collections, I do have links in the description box below. In the comments, let me know which collection you'd like me to use first, Afternoon in the Park or Flower Shop, and should I use the quick card collection or the 6x6 pattern papers. Both collections are beautiful, so I'm trying to decide which one I should start with. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.